Are you looking for a way to get the perfect wide-angle shot on Snapchat? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to easily switch your lens to a wider shot without ever leaving the app or using any filters. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat. After that, make sure you are using the most up-to-date version of the Snapchat app. If you have an update available, go ahead and update your app because the ultra-wide camera option is a new feature that Snapchat added to their app recently. Once you've done that, open up the Snapchat app. So now what you want to do next is tap on this exact icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. And as you can see, it turned the ultra-wide camera on. You can also tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the row of options, and then select ultra-wide, which will turn on the ultra-wide camera on Snapchat. So if you don't have this feature, then your device might not have an ultra-wide lens built into the camera system, or this feature might not yet be rolled out to your account. If that's the case, then you'll just have to wait while you get this new feature. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.